All right, folks, here comes Amtrak, Coast Starlight, train number 14. Final destination of that train is going to Seattle, going by the Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A Stadium. An ALC 42 Siemens Charger leading this one off. I think one of the good engineers is driving this train again, Jivo. All right. ALC 42 leading off. I don't know he can see me. ALC 42, 323, and 302. Alright, there she goes, folks. Off to Seattle. Thank you, Eric Fong, once again for the heads up on that Coast Starlight concept, buddy. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.